If you are a healer, coach, freelancer, or a business person and tired of working hard but still broke, it's not strategy, it's your subconscious. If you have been doing everything right, posting, showing up, learning, but still not seeing consistent income, you are probably carrying hidden money beliefs like money is hard to earn, I don't deserve abundance, I'm not ready for clients yet. If that is the case, I will help you rewire these beliefs using neuroscience based technique like NLP along with energy healing inside my 4 weeks program. Type shift in comments to book a free discovery call with me.